When you switch tools for password management, you need to export your passwords safely to avoid losing important information or exposing your data. In this video, I'll show you how to export passwords safely, step by step when you switch tools. By the end, you'll have a clear process for transferring passwords without compromising security. Stick around because I'll also recommend a secure solution you can try with an exclusive free trial that's only available for viewers of this channel. First things first, before you begin exporting passwords, make sure to back up everything. This is essential. Even if you think everything is fine, data can sometimes get corrupted or lost during the transfer. So, back up your passwords in your current tool, either through cloud backups or by exporting a full file of your passwords. This step gives you peace of mind before moving anything. Now, when it comes to exporting passwords safely, most password managers have a built-in export feature. But not all export formats are created equal. Ideally, you'll want to export in a standard format like CSV or an encrypted file format. Be careful here. While CSV files can be useful, they're often not encrypted. This means anyone who gains access to that file could read your passwords. So if you do go the CSV route, make sure you immediately encrypt it or store it in a secure location, like a password-protected folder or drive. Let's talk about the best way to export passwords. When switching from one tool to another, it's always a good idea to use a password manager that has an import feature from your current tool. This saves you from manually entering passwords and minimizes the risk of errors. Many of the top password managers, including the software we'll be using today, allow for a seamless import from other platforms. It makes things a lot quicker and, most importantly, more secure. Once you've exported your passwords and stored them securely, the next step is to import them into your new password manager. Make sure that the software you choose is reputable, offers encryption, and has an import feature. This will make the process smoother and safer. With our recommended software, you can quickly upload your exported passwords and it will automatically match the fields to the appropriate accounts. This saves time and ensures that you don't miss any important data. One key thing you should know about importing passwords is that it's not just about uploading a list of credentials. It's about making sure that the security features of the new tool, like two-factor authentication or encryption, are set up correctly. You want to make sure everything is protected before you start using your new password manager fully. By now, you've safely exported and imported your passwords. But there's one more important step. Always test the new tool. Log into your accounts to make sure everything transferred correctly and that you can access everything. This final test ensures that you're not locked out of anything important. The key takeaway here is to always back up your passwords, use encryption, and take the time to choose a reliable password manager for the job. Exporting passwords safely when switching tools isn't as hard as it sounds, but you have to take the right precautions at each step. And remember, to make this process even easier, I recommend you try the software we're using in this video. You can get an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of my channel, and the link is in the description below. To summarize, back up your passwords first, use encrypted files for export, choose a password manager with an easy import feature, and make sure to test everything before fully committing. Don't forget to grab the free trial of the software we discussed, link in the description. It's a great way to keep your passwords safe and make the switch smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.